Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to convert minutes to hours Excel. Open your Excel file to see the minutes to be converted. Now in the desired cell, enter the equal sign, then select the value of the minutes, press the division sign on your keyboard, and finally add the number 60. Press enter to see the conversion of minutes into hours. If you need to, drag this formula to the other cells. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.